let's just say motocross has some serious highs and some serious lows, and especially this year for Chance Hymas with podiums and the wins and doing really, really well. And then Unadilla comes. If you didn't see it, this is the crash in Moto 1 where just braking bumps, just motocross things. You catch something wrong, it rips your bike out from underneath you, and then this happens. He's underneath it, gets hit by the bike there, and then gets it landed on him. And if you he posted on his Instagram today. This picture comes not from it, but a little update from it. That's the burn from the header, and it said, "quote" on his Instagram, "quote, not the way I thought my day was going to end. Bit disappointed in myself because it was the best I felt all year, but it just wasn't my day. Sorry to the team for letting that one get away. Big thanks for sticking behind me through all the ups and downs. Luckily, just bruised and beat up, but blessed to be walking away from that one." I mean, obviously, that was a big crash. That's not something that is a light hit. That's one of those like, good job that it didn't land on him harder. It didn't break a bone. It didn't do anything worse than it is. Especially, I mean, those bikes are a couple 100 pounds. They start, flipping around and landing on top of you can cause a lot of issues. But hopefully he's fine. We get, uh, last two rounds healthy and get everybody through. And I don't know. Tell me what you think. Obviously, Deegan has a giant lead. He's probably going to win. Probably Sexton's going to win too. But tell me what you think. Do you think Sexton is going to win? And I guess with SMX coming up, are you excited for it? Are you? What do you think? I don't know. Comment whatever you want. Do you like burgers with fries or onion rings? Sure. Answer that in the comments below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.